In this area, there are about quite a number of streams, about 6 of them. And I think this is the way to go.
This is a people-driven process that all of us are here as guests of the communities. The project is about providing agroforestry and renewable energy solutions.
We are here courtesy of the UK government working with Worldwide Fund, which is WWF. They are supporting us in what is called greening Kaptagat. And this was a project that was approved when the president went to UK late last year, and it was part of what the UK announced as supporting Kenya as part of tackling climate change.
So beyond forestry, obviously clean energy is a really important part of the UK's climate partnership with Kenya. There are 2 big solar plants just near Eldoret that have benefited from finance from the UK government, and actually today the UK government has put money through a UK fund that's going to provide another 4 billion shillings to a third solar power station right near Eldoret, which is really exciting in helping deliver on President Kenyatta's commitment to achieve 100% clean energy by 2030.